I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Cursor, Windsurf, and VSCode, three prominent development environments. We'll delve into their unique features, how they integrate artificial intelligence, and their overall extensibility. Our goal is to help you understand the strengths of each, so you can make an informed decision about which editor best suits your specific coding needs and preferences. Cursor is an AI-native code editor, built as a fork of VSCode, with artificial intelligence deeply integrated into its core. It excels at generating code, offering inline chat, and assisting with debugging, often pinpointing issues faster than traditional methods. Cursor provides project-wide context awareness, making it ideal for complex refactoring and multi-file changes. Features like Cursor tab for multi-line edits and Composer for natural language commands significantly boost productivity, with users reporting substantial efficiency gains. Visual Studio Code, or VSCode, is a highly versatile and widely adopted code editor known for its extensive customization options. It features a massive marketplace with thousands of extensions, supporting hundreds of programming languages, themes, and debugging tools. Key functionalities include IntelliSense for intelligent code completion, a powerful integrated terminal, and seamless Git integration. While it doesn't have built-in AI, its robust extensibility allows for the integration of AI tools like GitHub Copilot, making it a flexible choice for diverse development workflows. Windsurf is an innovative AI-native integrated development environment, or IDE, designed for collaborative coding with artificial intelligence. Its core agentic system, named Cascade, offers deep codebase understanding and can perform multi-step, multi-file edits. Windsurf boasts features like Super Complete for intelligent code suggestions and the ability to automate terminal commands. It also prioritizes privacy with local operation, distinguishing it from some cloud-based AI tools. Users have reported up to a 30% boost in coding efficiency, making it a powerful contender in the AI-powered editor space.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.